The Gungu Group have shown a big interest in the birds that visit Kindy or fly around the park next door. We have had fun learning their names and learning different things about them. Some of them do funny things too. We also love reading stories, so we decided to write our own story to remember the birds. As a group, we planned and discussed what we would draw and what we wanted our story to be about. This is a story we wrote about all of the different birds that we see and some of the funny things we have seen them do.
We're going to do bird watching. What we gonna see today? One small peewee looking for someone to play. Going to do some bird watching. What do we see today? Two bowerbirds building a net, taking our toys away. We're going to do some bird watching. What will we see today? 3 2 ibis in the valleys on Binday. We're going to do bird watching. What do we see today? 4 magpie flipping at kids. Quick, run away! We're gonna do some bird watching. What did you see today? 5 rainbow lorikeets. Eating nectar, flying away. Going to a bird watching. What did you see today? Look! 6! Making lots of noise. What are they trying to say?